Now welcome back to another DJI Neo Drone video. Now today's video follows on from the previous one and it's a comparison between resolution and frame rates. Now the previous one was 1080p at 60 frames per second and this video now is going to be 4K at 30 frames per second. So you can do a comparison watching both videos and decide for yourself which is best when it comes to flying the DJI Neo Drone. Now without further ado, let's get straight on with the video and I'll show you the footage that I recorded here at Six Fields, Eagles Cliff and Hartwell Woods, and you can see exactly which is best for you. So see you in a minute and check it out. So there you have it, that was 4K at 30 frames per second. If you haven't seen the previous video, go and check that one out. That was 1080p at 60 frames per second. And I was just doing a comparison and trying to answer a subscriber's question on what's best. Is it better to film at 1080p and have more frame rates at 60 frames? Or is it better to have more resolution and film at 4K and 30 frames? So if you have seen the previous one and you've just watched this one, let us know in the comments which you think is the best out of the two, which you prefer, which you actually use yourself if you've got a Neo. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this a like if you've enjoyed it. Comment and let us know how you're getting on with your Neo and what tips and tricks and advice you can give me, because I'm always wanting to learn. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free of charge and it helps me so much. So thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.